Here we go. One in, like so. Nice heavy 6x9 too. So yeah, that right there, boy, gonna do a little something. Yeah, definitely gonna be louder than what we had with that stocky boo-boo stuff, as they call it on the streets. Gonna chop this one over here in, break this one in. Then we're gonna get on to the front half. Program is lay out all the speakers first. The next, lay all the wiring in. Front coming off soon. If you don't know how to take these fronts off, it's one at the bottom, one inside of here. Then you got 3 here, and there's one over here, and there's one directly below this here on each side. So a little bit more complex how to take the front off the newer bike. The speakers drop from this side only. You don't have to take the speaker pod to get them out as in the older bike previous year. So yeah, we're gonna continue on the journey. Once again, Rob from MSI, letting you see what I see. Stay tuned.